Hi, my name is Felix Bliss. Today I'm going to stay with you throughout this video. I want you to stay connected and you will never regret watching this video. Without much ado, let's go for a quick look. We are going to start our full Photoshop training. So I call this training Photoshop training season 1 to 3. Okay, so it's 3 seasons, but with this first season we are going to look at episode 1, episode 2, episode 3. So I want you to do well and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss any of the training section we are going through, because I'm going to take my time to lecture you on everything you need to know in Photoshop. So in this particular season, episode 1, we are going to look at the interface. Under the interface, we'll be looking at the tools and panels. We'll be also looking at menu and options bar and recreating the interface. So this is our lesson for today. So I'll open up my Photoshop 22. So this is a Photoshop 22 training section, and I want you to stay right here and follow whatever I teach. So when you open Photoshop 22, you are going to see this interface. So this is the whole interface of Photoshop 22. If you want to get this Photoshop 22, I have a video on it. So you can click and then watch that video. Okay. So you can click and watch that video on how you can install Photoshop 22 training. So this is the Photoshop interface or the workspace we are talking about. So all this area is the workspace. Okay, and then as I said, this area is the menu, and you can see that underneath that one we have some commands here. This area is called option bar. Okay, option bar. What does the option bar do? Whenever you click on any of these tools here, it comes with its own options. So if I click on this, you will see that this bar will change to match the tools here. If I click on this, that one will change. If I click on this, so all these tools change here in the options bar. Now you know the menu bar, you know the options bar. Okay, so what you need to know is the tools. Okay, so with this area we have, this area is called the tool bar. Okay, all the tools are here, and on our right side you see we have another panel. So all these are called panels. Okay, we have these panels here. So these are the panels. We have the color panel, we have the swatches, and then we have the gradients. As you can see, most of the panels are here, but that is not all the panels. So if you want to view some of the missing panel, what you do is you will go to Windows, then you look for a particular panel. So assuming you need action, you click on action, and you will see that the action panel will come here, right? So you have understood that. Okay, so with the interface you can also create your own interface based on how you do your work. So by default we are working on the essentials. So we have the 3D, we have the motion, we have the painting, the photography. So based on what you are doing, you will choose any of these options, but you can create your own workspace. So I can create my new workspace here. Okay, so if I want to create my new workspace, what I need to do is I can just move this, okay, and bring it to this side so that I will be working on one side. Okay, my tools are here, my panels too are here, so that I will be working on one side. So with this one I am okay with this workspace, then I will go to the side and choose new workspace. Then we can save our workspace like my work area. Any name you want, you can give. Okay, so with that one, it says panel location will be saved in this workspace. Okay, keyboard shortcut menu. So if you want to maybe add the keyboard shortcut you have already saved, you can do that. You can also add some menus, you can also add a toolbar. So after that, you will click on save. So we have our work area saved. Now let's go back to this section and see. You see we have our work area here. So if you want to reset your workspace, you come to this side, okay, and choose reset my workspace. You reset this one, okay. If you want to delete the workspace, but if you want to delete it, what you need to do is make sure you switch to new workspace. So I'll switch it to the essential, then I'll go to delete workspace, and then at this section you see essential is active, so I can't delete that one, so I will delete the one we created. So delete, then we delete the workspace. Okay, now I can go here and reset it. Okay, and I have this my essential workspace. So that is what you need to know about the workspace in Photoshop. On next episode 2, we shall look at the basic commands in Photoshop. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will urge you to subscribe. This is just the beginning. I just walk you through the interface, okay? And we shall deal with them in details in a coming episode. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well and subscribe. Thank you for watching. My name is Felix Bliss. I will see you in the next episode.